Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Charita from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Computer Science Department. In this video, I am going to talk about Introduction to Django. The Django is a powerful open source web framework that allows developers to create robust and scalable web applications quickly. It also provides a solid foundation for building dynamic websites within a minimal coding. Next is defining a view function. Before going to the Django program, we should define the view function inside the project. First one is creating the view. In this, implement a Python function in the app's view.py. Here, view.py is extension for the Python, and the view.py file to handle incoming hypertext transfer protocol, that is HTTP requests, and generate responses. Next is add logic. It is incorporated business logic, data processing, and template rendering within the view function. Next, return a response. Use Django built-in HTTP response or render function to send the appropriate response back to client. Next, mapping of the URL. It is setting up a Django project. First, we need to set the Django project. In this, create a virtual environment. First, we should create the virtual environment. Virtual environment is set up a virtual environment to isolate project dependencies and ensure consistent development environments. Next one is installation of Django. To install the Django, we use the pip to install the Django package, in which the pip consisting of all the packages which is required for the installation of the Django software, and which provides the necessary tools and the libraries for the web development. So the pip will be help for the installation of the Django, which helps the Django for the which provides for the necessary tools and libraries for the web development, and initialize the project. Here it will run the Django admin command to create a new Django project with the necessary files and folder structures. Next one is creating a Django app. Django app is mainly consisting of three steps to create this. First one is define the app, configure the app. Next one is organize the app. First, defining the app, it uses the manage.py. This is also command. Py is extension of Python. Manage.py is a command which is used to create the Django app within the project. Next one is configure the app. Here, the register the app in the project settings.py. Settings.py, it is also the command which is used for the registering the app in the project to make the accessible to the entire project, in which we can be able to access that file throughout the entire project or the application. Next is organize the app. Here separate the app's functionality into the different modules such as module, views, and URLs. These are the different kind of modules which will be used in the creating the project in the Django app. That is every program or a project will be consisting of these such as models, views, and URLs. Next is defining the view. As I already said, it consisting of three main steps, that is creating the view, add logic, and return a response. Here we will be using the views.py as a command, or like a file which is used for the creating the view function, in which we can access the data from the views.py file. Next one is mapping the view to URL. Here, first we will be define the URL pattern. Create the URL pattern in the apps, that is urls.py. This is the extension for the URL pattern, and py is for the Python file that maps a specific URL to the view function. And next one is connect to the project. It includes the app's URL pattern in the project, main URL, urls.py file to make the view accessible. Next one is test the URL. First, start the development server and visit the mapped URL to verify that the view is working as expected. These are the steps will be followed to map the view to URL. Here the URL is used as the urls.py command, which is help for the mapping of the view to URL. And the next one is template. Rendering a template. First, we should create the template and the rendering the template, and we should add the dynamics. Creating the template includes design the HTML template file to define the structure and layout of the web page. And rendering the template, it uses the Django render function in the view to load or render the template with the necessary data. And add dynamics in this, incorporate Django template language to make the template dynamic and interactive. And the next one is passing data to the templates. Passing data to the templates consisting of 3 steps, that is retrieve data, package data, and display data. In case of the retrieve data, gather necessary data from the models. It will be collect the data from the models. That is, models consist models which is having the commands such as model.py and APIs or other sources in the view function. And next one is package data. The package the data into a dictionary or context object to be passed to the template. And the next one is display data. It will be used the Django template language to access and display the passed data in the template. And running the Django development server. How to run the Django development server is first we'll be starting the server. We'll be use the manage.py run server command to start the Django development server, and then we'll be accessing the app. After the starting the server with the command of manage.py run server, we'll be using the accessing the app, that is we'll be visiting the URL where the development server is running to view a Django application. Next one is debug and iterate, in which the making changes to your code and see the updates reflected in the running applications. This is how the running the Django development server takes place. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you all.